Imagine a world where your home not only reflects your personal style, but also embraces sustainability and innovation. We are bighomeprojects.com. We built a directory to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and help contractors find work. What if you could transform your living space into a sanctuary that elevates your everyday life? As homeowners, the decisions we make today can significantly impact our comfort, financial well-being, and the environment. In this ever-evolving landscape of home renovation and remodeling, staying informed about the latest trends is not just beneficial, it's essential. Home renovation is no longer just about aesthetics. It's a thoughtful approach to enhancing our lives. In 2025, one of the most prominent trends is a strong emphasis on sustainability. Homeowners are increasingly leaning towards eco-friendly materials and energy-efficient appliances. A staggering 70% of homeowners are willing to invest more in sustainable options because they recognize the long-term benefits, both for the environment and their wallets. For instance, installing solar panels can cut energy costs by an average of $1,500 per year, an investment that pays off both financially and environmentally. Next, smart home technology is revolutionizing how we interact with our living spaces. Imagine controlling your home's lighting, temperature, and security from your smartphone. Homes equipped with smart technology can see price increases of up to 5% upon sale, appealing to an ever-growing market of tech-savvy buyers. Open floor plans continue to be a popular choice, fostering spaciousness and promoting family interaction. By knocking down walls between kitchens, dining areas, and living rooms, homeowners can create inviting environments filled with natural light. It's a design choice that enhances flow while allowing for comfortable gatherings. The shift toward multifunctional spaces is significant, especially with remote work becoming the norm. Homeowners are looking for ways to design areas that serve multiple purposes. Think home offices that double as guest rooms. Using foldable furniture allows for seamless transitions between work and relaxation. Biophilic design is another emerging trend that brings nature indoors. Incorporating plants, natural light, and organic materials not only creates a calming atmosphere, but also improves air quality. Imagine large windows or vertical gardens enhancing your home's aesthetic while fostering a connection with the outdoors. Neutral color palettes are making a strong comeback, providing timeless backdrops that adapt easily to changing decor. Shades of gray, beige, and soft whites create serene environments where bold accessories can shine without overwhelming the space. The demand for outdoor living spaces is also on the rise. Homeowners are increasingly looking to enhance their backyards with outdoor kitchens, fire pits, and lounge areas, perfect for entertaining or simply enjoying nature's beauty. Imagine transforming a small balcony into a cozy retreat with the right furniture and decor. Personalization is key in today's renovation projects. Homeowners want unique touches that reflect their individual tastes. Think custom cabinetry or bespoke furniture that tells a story of who you are. Creating wellness spaces within the home is gaining traction as self-care becomes a priority. Whether it's a yoga nook or a spa-like bathroom, having dedicated areas for relaxation can significantly enhance mental health and well-being. Finally, energy-efficient features are at the forefront of renovations in 2025. Homeowners are investing in energy-efficient windows, insulation, and appliances to reduce utility bills while making positive environmental contributions. Research shows that such upgrades can save homeowners up to 30% on energy costs annually. The driving forces behind these trends are changing lifestyles and economic conditions. With more time spent at home, homeowners desire spaces that enhance comfort and functionality. Nearly 80% plan to invest in renovations this year, with an average budget of $18,000, proof that improving our living environments is a priority. Popular design styles in 2025 reflect this blend of comfort and personal expression. The modern farmhouse remains a favorite, characterized by rustic charm and open spaces. Minimalism emphasizes simplicity and decluttering, ideal for creating serene environments that promote better airflow and energy efficiency. When embarking on your renovation journey, consider essential features such as energy efficiency to save on utility bills, smart home technology for convenience and security, quality materials for durability, functional layouts for maximizing space, and maximizing natural light for an inviting ambiance. As you explore these trends and features, remember that Big Home Projects can guide you through this transformative process. With expert guidance and a network of skilled professionals at your fingertips, you can confidently navigate your home renovation journey while achieving your dream living space. So, what does the future hold for your renovation plans? Embrace these trends to create a home that resonates with your lifestyle while being mindful of the environment. As you take these steps toward enhancing your living space, remember to keep an eye on how these trends evolve and adapt in the coming years. Visit our site today to discover how big home projects can help you turn your vision into reality. Your dream home awaits. Don't let it remain just an idea.